Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is a mini vlog. We're popping to B&Q. We're going to do some redecorating, and I thought I would just bring you guys along. It's a Saturday. I had to have a nose at the bathrooms and the kitchens in B&Q. It would be rude not to. I love this one. But yeah, I'm just going to bring you guys along with me today. We're going to do some cleaning, some cooking. I've got a lovely recipe to share with you guys and just share the progress of Hope's room. Hope you guys are all okay. Let me know how you are in the comments. These are the panels that we were looking for, and we found them. I'm sure it's this one. I'm going to do that in the next video, so be sure to like and subscribe and stick around. We also stopped off for a cheeky pint and a little play in the beer garden, which was lovely because the weather has been so kind to us. And then
I got the first one and then I got the second one.
no, we're back from B&Q. Are we going to try and paint it? This is like soft sheen, so you can wipe it.
I like it.
This was from B&M as well, wasn't it? Ballet slipper.
Ballet slipper.
I really should strip them all. I really don't want to. Do we just wing it?
Hey, this might come out as total madness.
Right, so this looks chaotic, but my thinking is this is going to be a darker pink. All I wanted was just a base layer to try and get rid of that horrible red. So we've got the panelling. I don't know if you can see this actually. We've got the panelling. Oh God, look at the state of my old clothes, and it's very, very hot today. Please excuse me. So yeah, the panelling will be like, in fact, it will be about to there. So can you see that? So I've given myself a bit of extra there. Should probably stop now though, shouldn't I? Because it goes all along the skirting board, and then you have, so you've got it on the skirting board like this, like that, and then on top of that it stands, like you'll have one, two, however many, and then, where's that about to there? And then you have one on the top as well, and you can put like a nice little dado rail or something on. So I've probably gone a bit too low with that. But my thinking was, I'm going to do it, oh, I've got a banging headache coming. I'm going to do it like cream to keep it like bright in here. And then do like a really blush pink on the bottom with the panelling. And then on this side, I'll talk to you about that when I get to that side. But I'm going to sort of like incorporate the same pink on like a little feature thing with the shelves and a books. I should have properly stripped it all back, but you know, and it's just one of those, and you're like, I can't be arsed. I'm just gonna paint it and see how we go. To be honest, she's gonna have some pictures up and shelves and things and pretty things, so it's probably going to be covered. Whoever moves in after me into this house will probably curse me for doing that. Some of our shelves up and stuff, so I need to take them down. And yeah, sorry if this vlog's a bit all over the place. I just wanted to try and film something for you guys this weekend. I'm not sure how chaotic and whether I'll be able to edit it and get it up. Hopefully I will. Sorry it's short, but I have really big ideas for this little bedroom makeover for Hope, and it's going to be budget friendly too. I'm trying to keep Hope out of the room because I really want to just surprise her when it's all done. It's boiling and Hope is shouting me, so no. I'm going to do this now. Finish the wall, do some dinner, edit this video, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. I should have a video out, fingers crossed. I hope you guys are all okay. I hope you're enjoying the weekend. I've got quite a few videos coming out soon that are like with brands and sponsored videos and things, and I always feel really guilty doing those. I only ever work with ones that I absolutely love as well, because you get so many emails and offers all the time, and I've turned so many down, and then all of the perfect ones just came at once. So I was just like, I've got to do this. But because I'm such a scatterbrain, I've had to sort of like chock a block them all into this month. So I hope you guys don't mind about that. I know you're all so lovely and you support me all the time, but I just wanted to quickly say that. I'm all over the place. I'm sweating. I look like an old lady. My grey hairs. So bad. Right. I'm turning into a crazy lady. I'm going to finish this and I'll be back.
But just wait. I really need to tell you something. 'Cause I feel alone in a room, surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it too. Out on the roof, here with you. It all seems so distant.
Ready? Go. Move it over.
Under street lights right next to the skyline with you. Yeah, you.
Then I'm going to have a quick tidy up of the kitchen and get ready for dinner. I could not cook in the kitchen in this state, so I'm just going to try and load the dishwasher, pop that on. Please excuse the laundry behind me and the fact that I'm wearing my painting clothes. The shorts are definitely too tight for me, but I didn't want to ruin any of my nice clothes. Oh yeah, I'm just here with my bingo wings and my mum tum flapping around, getting some cleaning done. It is what it is. At least we're just getting things done, and I felt so good this day that I could finally get started on this room, because it's been months, probably years, we've been talking about doing this room swap, so it just felt good to finally get it started and the ball rolling. I love redecorating anyway. It just always feels so new and nice, and I love that Hope's going to have her own room. Best dinner idea ever. We're using these, but you can use fish fingers if you really want to. High quality ones or just nice ones. Got some brioche buns, some rocket and some tartar sauce. I got this recipe from an ad that I did with Waitrose and it's so good. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Covered in paint.
Oh, look at this doing.
What? Is that my lemon? I needed that for my video and for the recipe. Hope playing catch with the cat and the lemon. Saturday night. Hope careful, he's going to scratch soon. This is everything you need. I forgot the lemon. I've also got some laundry on the go because we're always doing loads of laundry. The air fryer could do with a good clean. I accidentally switched it off. Just pop the fish in there and then I'm just going to make the salad. It is rocket salad, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's all you need for it. Just give it a good toss. Slice your buns, put some tartar sauce on, salt and pepper them again, pop your rocket on, and then you pop the fish on when it's done. It's so easy. And you do some lemon juice on top. We're having the McCain fries. The home style chips are our favourite. Time I'm cooking dinner. This one is always here. What are you doing? Why are you always in here when I'm cooking? Like the boys when they were little. That is so funny that they're so big, but I hope they like them. It looks rubbish, but I promise you it's going to taste like. And it was super easy. Probably should have made my own chips though. I'm going to continue painting into the night. I'm in my nightie, I'm exhausted, but I want to get this finished for my little girl. She needs her own space and my boy needs a bigger room, so paint on. And the boys tonight are sharing a room, which is lovely because you can hear them giggling like little girls and having a laugh. But yeah, I'm gonna get going. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I will see you guys in the next few videos. Right, bye guys, love you. Bye.